Want to keep your car cleaner, more organized, and more practical? From a cleaning gel to a scanner that saves you money at the mechanic, I've picked the best car accessories. All products have Amazon links in the description. Check them out. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel for car detailing is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheel, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboard, and other hard-to-reach places. Car slime for cleaning is car essentials for women and men to clean your car. Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding, and behind seatbelt catch. Drop Stop attaches to the seatbelt catch via built-in slot. Moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. The Ancel AD310 is one of the best-selling OBD2 scanners on the market and is recommended by Scotty Kilmer, a YouTuber and auto mechanic. It can easily determine the cause of the check engine light coming on, quickly read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, read live data and hard memory data, view freeze frame, I/M monitor readiness, and collect vehicle information. Instead of taking car to mechanic shop, you can use it to check the trouble code and show code definition by yourself. The car trash bag features an adjustable strap that allows it to be attached on both front and back headrest, as well as the center console for easier access for all around. There are 4 metallic magnetic snaps inside of HOTOR Car Trash Can for fastening the extra trash bag. Compared with traditional car trash cans, those 4 little snaps make the replacement of car trash bags easier. Our memory foam seat cushion offers exceptional comfort and support, reducing tailbone pain and promoting healthy posture. Ideal for long sitting sessions. Innovative gel-infused memory foam in our seat and lumbar support pillows ensures all-day comfort, making them ideal for back support for car, computer chair cushion, desk chair cushion, and gaming chair. Strategic ventilation holes in the memory foam promote air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable during long sitting periods. This tire inflator is manufactured with AstroAI's unique Tough Ultra technology, so all of its core parts, including its cylinder, motor gears, and connection rod, are built using a powder metallurgy integrated molding technique. This revolutionary manufacturing process greatly enhances the inflator's durability and increases its service life by 30%. Presents the highly anticipated, unique, and exclusive trunk organizer for car and SUV to the TRUNKCRATEPRO patented brand. Our car storage organizer is an eco-friendly professional-grade, heavy-duty material trunk organizer with straps. It is best for auto, SUV, car, truck, Jeep, minivan, vehicles, and automotive car accessories. Our car organizers are handcrafted using premium highest-grade Oxford polyester material.